Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I am getting close to 300 subscribers here on my channel and I'd like you to help me because once I get 300 subscribers I am going to be doing a giveaway and hopefully that will be soon. So for today's process video I am using a picture of my son. He lost his tooth and I'm going to tell a story about that. I'm using the Felicity Harper kit. This is from November of 2019. And I'm taking this mauve color cardstock and I'm going to cut it to 12 inches, but I'm going to leave the scallop so that it's on the top edge of this layout. I'm also going to take it and sew around the layout just using white stitching all the way around. But before that, I'm going to decide where I'm going to type my journaling. I use my pencil and mark off where the photo is going to go. I use a We Are Memory Keepers typecast typewriter to type my journaling. And you know, I have a love-hate relationship with this typewriter because it has a hard time threading the cardstock through. But for my journaling, I wrote, Uni was so excited to lose his top front tooth. For the money the tooth fairy would leave him. Unfortunately, the tooth fairy must not have gotten the memo that Uni had lost his tooth. Even 2 weeks later, Uni was upset that the tooth fairy did not come by our house. How could the tooth fairy not know? What kind of reminder can I send the tooth fairy? Hashtag momfail. So I think I lost some footage there where I did layering of my photo, and I have 4 pieces of different cardstock layering that photo. I used the alpha that came with the kit and I wrote hashtag momfail and put that to the top of my photo. Then I took that chipboard and put black crochet thread and tied a bow and put that to the top left portion of my photo, the one with the heart. And then I put Stampin' Up! Foam dimensionals onto the die cut that says My Crazy Beautiful Life. Then I cut this die cut in half and I put it to the bottom left hand side of the photo, but I end up moving it to the top of the left hand side, and that's still coming. Next I'm going to use a label and I'm going to date stamp it using the Felicity Jane date stamp with Stays On ink because this is a slickery mat. After I do that, I'm going to decide where I'm going to put that. I end up using it as a base and grounding point for the bottom right hand portion of my photo. See, this is where I move the die cut to the top left hand portion. And then I'm going to also go through the rest of my embellishments and decide how else to embellish my my layout, excuse me. I take this bird. I don't really use birds in my layout, but I did want to use up most of my die cuts. So I go ahead and put that to the bottom of my die cut with the date, and I'm using the label as a grounding. I also put an acorn down there. I know it doesn't match, but I wanted to put a few things there. That leaf, the branch that I have, I end up putting dimensional foam on there, and I'm going to put it to the left hand side of my photo above this felt leaf that I have. I use my Scotch quick dry adhesive to adhere the leaf to the top left. I kind of hide it over the hashtag, but that's intentional because I want it to look layered. I put this acorn on and I use my Kokyo adhesive there so I could put 3 things there. And I also put a flower to the bottom right hand corner of my photo. Then I use the heart stickers that came with the kit. They're like little puffy heart little puffy heart stickers, and I put it one to the top left on my chipboard, also to the die cut that says My Crazy Beautiful Life, and also to the label, the date label. See here, I try to move my die cuts around, but because it's on the Epson paper, I cannot take adhesive off of it without ruining the photo, so I just leave it. I wanted a little more of the flower to show. So anyway, I do that. Now I'm going to take it, and of course I'm going to sprinkle ink on it using Heidi Swapp Color Shine in black. And this color is still available. The gold is not, so I'm going to have to find another gold ink splatter to use that is available to the rest of you guys. So that completes my layout. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, my giveaway will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.